I will be with you in a moment. Promise. This is the stamp set I'm using. And I want that. Could I have your scory thing? Either one. Either the that one. Simply scored. Right, so what am I doing? I do not know. This is my little treat box, and it opens like this. You can take the ribbon off should you wish. I'm just going to leave it there. And then a little chocolate pops out like that. It's quite cute. I like it. However, does anybody actually eat marzipan chocolate?
I didn't even have marzipan on my wedding cake.
I had a chocolate cake instead.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just used that one because it kind of went with the red, but I've got proper chocolate for the next one.
Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Been to visit my cousin today. Love Starry Night. Just a thought. Do you think the new colours are for the Queen's Jubilee? No, because the Americans wouldn't really. I don't think.
No.
But good question.
Yes.
Hadn't thought of that.
Oh.
Janice Thompson's loves marzipan. Of course
Oh,
you do.
right. I'll send it to you.
Yes. You're getting marzipan in the post.
Yuck. There's.
Cara McDonald says she needs to make that because she's got a box of mini Ritter Sports.
Oh, excellent. Fabulous. Then what you will need.
Hazel Ann, love it. Yuck to chocolate cake.
Oh.
Controversial.
Absolutely. Wowzers.
Yvonne, what's wrong with marzipan?
Oh, yuck.
Janice, but I can't have it. No, you can't.
No. So, yes, this stamp set, go to greetings. Love, love, love. Big sentiments. Medium sentiments. Echo ones. I think that's fabulous. This is going to be one of my go-to greetings sets.
Yeah, well, I've got that one too. I haven't used it yet. Chocolate should be a bar. Should chocolate be in the fridge? That's my question.
It depends what kind of chocolate it is.
Terry's chocolate orange, definitely.
Really?
Absolutely.
Not sure I agree with that. However.
Definitely.
Okay.
Shirley, love marzipan too.
Okay.
What about Battenberg cake? It's not something I would buy.
No.
To be honest.
No.
Jez is new for the chocolate in the fridge. But I like having a bite, not a sook.
That's too much information.
But if it was chocolate, definitely always keep mine in the fridge. Thank you, Anne. I totally agree.
Oh, the problem is with me is as soon as I buy the chocolate, I eat the chocolate.
Gone.
So there's no point putting it in the fridge.
I know.
So I'm using one of the Stylish Shapes dies, and my glamorous assistant might actually just die cut that for me whilst I do the rest, eh?
Janice used to make Battenberg.
Oh, lovely.
You could do a class. Because that must be quite tricky getting all those wee squares.
Yeah, aye. Right, so this piece of card is 7.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And I am going to score it at... Oh, jings, you're making enough noise there, missus.
Well, if you had been prepared, I wouldn't have had to.
Just saying. So I am scoring this. What am I scoring this at? 2.5. Then 3, 5.5. Then wait a minute. Do you know how I said I didn't know what I was doing?
You don't know what
I
you're
don't know what I'm doing.
Just eat the biscuit. Just eat the biscuit. Okay?
I think that's what I'm doing.
You'll be fine.
Aye.
Just wing it.
Wing it. 2.5. A half. So, yeah, I think that's what I was doing. Right, so 2.5, 3, 5.5, 6. That'll do on that one. And then I've got this little bit, which is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. And I'm going to score that at 1/4 inch. And then 3/4 inch. And that'll be that bit. And then I've got 2 of these bits that are 1.5 by, it's supposed to be 1 3/8. Yeah, I think.
Shirley Fry's chocolate cream.
What about it?
In the fridge, I think.
In the fridge.
Janice, oh my God. Christine, mine doesn't last that long because I eat it. Yep.
Yep, I'm with you.
Oh, Battenberg, it's easy peasy. Well, it is if you know how to do it.
Yeah.
Karen McDonald, I love fries. No.
I've forgotten what I was doing.
Well, I'm covering for you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Shirley. She's got rhubarb crumble in the oven. Yum. With custard. Cream?
I don't do rhubarb.
Do you not?
No.
Love rhubarb.
Make it apple and I'm there.
Love rhubarb. Yeah, Hazel Ann loves rhubarb. Homemade, of course, absolutely.
See, when I was wee, we had a rhubarb patch.
Yeah, so did we.
And I had rhubarb with a poke of sugar.
I used to have rhubarb on my cornflakes. In the morning. Yum.
No.
I even like rhubarb tea. It's actually very
Rhubarb
nice.
tea?
Yeah. You can get one of the sachets.
Okay.
Oh, rhubarb doesn't go well down well with Jez.
No, that's
No.
good. I think part of the problem with rhubarb is the effect that it has.
Oh, Mark, it's swift and effective.
Yeah, but like prunes.
Well, rhubarb I prefer eating rather than prunes. Prunes are lethal. Absolutely lethal. Hazel Ann, I have rhubarb. Hubby's Scottish, so he also used to have it with a poke of sugar. Yes, sugar.
Just.
Yeah, don't do that anymore.
Oh, that's why when I went to the dentist the other day there, it's going to cost me £400.
Why?
Oh, because I need so many blooming fillings because I haven't been
Oh.
in such a long time. That's wrong. I've done my paper wrong. Why have I done my paper wrong? Why have I done my paper wrong, Val?
Ask the dyslexic. I don't know.
Probably because I changed my measurements at some point and
Did you?
clearly didn't bother to do that. So,
Do you want another bit of paper?
that would be awesome.
Did you bring some with you?
No.
No. Okay. Would you like some of mine?
Yes.
Okay.
Right, so let's go back to what I was doing. And
I'm really glad mine was quick.
so yes, those pieces I just scored them
Does
half
it need to be the
inches.
spotty one?
No, it can be anyone. That'll
Is that
be
the right
lovely.
colour?
Yes, yes, it is. I will cut that in a moment once I figure out what I'm doing again.
Okay.
Right. So this bit is the let's pop the chocolate out bit, like so. So I need to put glue on that skinny wee bit there. Glue, come, 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 come.
Lindsay drinks rhubarb gin.
Okay, could possibly give that a go.
Janice, rhubarb gin or vodka are both good. Or them just in the same glass.
Right, so I've just put that up to that top score line there. Okay.
Hello, Victoria. Thank you for joining us.
Wrong. Oh, honest to goodness.
She says she's late. She's sorry for being late.
That's all right.
Again. Sophie. Karen McDonald loves rhubarb gin too.
She's got ickle people to deal with. She's allowed to be late.
Okay.
Right. What am I doing? Yes, so that's the way it wants to go. Like that. And then these bits...
Good recovery.
Do you think?
Yeah. Nobody noticed a thing. Not a thing.
Not a thing.
Not a thing.
It's because they're too busy talking about bloody rhubarb.
No, they're away to get the gin.
Oh, are they? Okay.
Yeah, probably with a fresh chocolate cream.
Oh, dear.
That's what I think.
You could be right.
Don't mess with gin. That'll be Jez. Jez, are you going to Vienna?
I think Jez and I have already had the conversation and I don't think she was going to.
Was she not?
No.
Oh.
It's a bit expensive. Right.
Oh, no.
No.
Okay.
Right. So then just putting those little bits in there to hold my chocolate in place at the side there. Easy peasy. And then my chocolate. And cheating. And going with a couple of glue dots. Maybe. If I can get the bloody things to stick.
Yvonne, what did I miss about Vienna? That's where on stage, backstage, front stage,
Upstage. Downstage.
It's going to be in November. So myself and Heather are seriously contemplating it.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
It just pops in there like that. I'll wait for that bling glue to set before I try faffing about with it. And I will measure what my paper should be.
Okay.
And I think it should be 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. Have a trimmy thing. Thanks.
Oh, Yvonne, I know that. I'm in your conversation. Sorry.
Our conversation
Our
is that we
conversation
want to go.
was who's going.
Who's
that was
going?
that was the conversation. Because flights aren't great from Scotland. It's like once every fortnight. So we might be staying a while.
Aye. I don't mind.
No, I don't mind either. Well, I do because I've got to get back by mid-November because I'm going to Dubai.
Oh, you have such a hard life.
I work hard.
You do. You do. I don't. Lady
And
of
then I've got a
pleasure.
week and then I'm going to Miami.
Oh my word. Jeez, oh.
Yvonne says book the Hilton, that's where she's staying.
Well, that was one of the ones I was looking at.
Was it?
It was, yes,
Okay,
because
then.
it looked as if it was rather close. Was that the
Which Hilton?
Danube Waterside or something like that?
I'm waiting on
There
a
we go.
response.
Okay, excellent. And just because I can, I'm going to add some ribbon.
What colour are we on?
We are, this
Oh,
is
Tahitian.
Tahitian Tide.
Tahitian Tide.
Sauce. Right, where's your ribbon scissors? These ones.
Yes,
I'm allowed them then.
you are. They're my new. It's just 2 minutes away.
Fab.
Is it the one that... What one did you say?
It was something like Danube Waterside or something like that.
Yvonne. Danube Waterside, Blue Danube. Shirley says that's gorgeous ribbon.
It is.
It is, it's
It is,
lovely.
but I can't tie.
That's because you're stressed.
Am I stressed?
Yes.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Oh, not really.
Oh, hello, Jacqueline. What are we giving away?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Oh, it's
no, it was this embossing folder, wasn't it?
yes, it was.
Aye. Loving the ribbon, and Jessie's wee tip was to pull it out a wee bit to make your bow a little bit wider and a bit more floofy.
Floofy?
I don't think Jess said floofy.
No, I don't think that's a Jessinism.
But there we go.
Great project, Heather, says Shirley.
It's quite
lovely.
cute, isn't
it's very
it?
cute.
Nice for swaps.
Yes.
Nice for customer gifts.
Yes.
Because it's quite small to go in the mail.
Totes.
And it's just a nice little... And you could put another little message in there.
You could.
As a little surprise, couldn't you? That would be nice. But I like the way it does that.